Hello, my name is Nicole Norman, and the job title that I researched is Marriage and Family Counselor. The example organization is Kaiser Permanente Hospital in Riverside, California. The career contact, I did not have any career contact in this field. Working environment, the following places of employment offer work opportunities for someone with a counseling degree. There are several, so I'll just list them. Hospitals, inpatient or outpatient detox centers, mental health facilities or agencies, residential care facilities, halfway houses, geriatric-related facilities, VA medical hospitals and outpatient clinics, correctional facilities and/or prisons, the educational system, nonprofit or social service agencies, and the one that I really wanted to focus on, because it's the one where I would like to work as a marriage and family counselor, would be in the hospital. The hospital, from assuming the role of a family grief counselor to providing mental health evaluations, counseling professionals with a bachelor's or master's degree offer fine employment in a hospital. There are several marriage and family counseling centers in hospitals as well, including Kaiser Permanente. Some counselors are hired to assist patients overcome various psychological and behavior issues, while others specifically focus on the rehab of a hospital patient. With a PhD, counselors can assume the position of clinical supervisor at a hospital, as well as qualify for many other jobs in administration. There are quite a few kind of typical stressors for this job. To be a counselor, you really need to have good interpersonal skills. You must absolutely treat the patients and facility visitors with respect at all times. This can be difficult because a lot of the patients you'll be dealing with will be emotional, negative, upset, rude, vocal, and sometimes even violent. So you must go in knowing this and use those interpersonal skills and patience so you can better serve your patient. The typical benefits that come for this career really depend on where you're employed. The benefits very much vary. But if you're hired by Kaiser Permanente as a full-time employee, you would be offered medical, dental, life insurance, and a retirement plan. The common job tasks would be as follows. Interviews patients and family members to assess nature and extent of psychiatric problem. Develops, implements, and evaluates treatment approaches for patients and affected family members. This may include individual, marital, family, group, and intensive therapeutic sessions. Maintain confidential individual case summaries, confer and consult with staff physicians regarding patients, progress and treatment, confers with attending physicians regarding hospitalized patients and recommended treatment plans. You must also provide appropriate support to family, including explanation of treatment. The educational requirements are as follows. The education pathway to working as a counselor begins with earning a bachelor's degree, which takes generally about 4 years. Then it is followed with a master's degree, which would conclude with 5 to 6 years of schooling. Then if you want to go even further and earn your PhD, you would have been in college for a total of 7 to 8 years. The range of this field is also varies quite largely, but if you are looking at the number one highest paying area, it is since 2012, that would be in St. George, Utah. And the second highest paying job is in Fresno, California. The range between those two, the annual range beginning would be $50,000, and experience salary range would be $80,840. The miscellaneous career information. The number of places that a graduate with a counseling degree can work is wide-ranging, and the above-mentioned employment opportunities are non-exhaustive. There's so many different things you can do in this field. Those with a PhD in counseling become a licensed professional counselor that works in public or private practice. Most often, this type of counselor concentrates on a particular area of specialization, such as mental health counseling, family and marriage counseling, or substance abuse counseling. A bachelor degree in counseling allows a graduate to assume the position of an administrative assistant or researcher that works under the direction and under the direct supervisor of a certified psychologist with his or her own practice or business. The place where I got the information from were two different websites, the Southern California KaiserPermanente.org website and also the www.higherdiversity.com. I enjoyed learning a little bit more about this, and I'm very interested in going into this field and becoming a marriage and family counselor. Thank you.